guys. Today we'll be showing you how to make a cap of a water bottle like a rocket. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So the first thing you need is an empty water bottle like this. First thing you want to open it like this, the cap. Then you want to squeeze it, not like over here, like down here. Then you want to put the cap back on. Then you want to start twisting it like this. Then when you're done twisting it, just loosen the cap a little bit, but not the air comes out. Then just move with your thumb. Loosen it a little bit more. Almost. Oh no, I accidentally lost the air. If you want to do it again, you just blow in. You don't need to like squeeze it again because it's really gonna have a thing on it. Oh no, I already got the air back in it. Yeah, there's a dog. Chill. Like this. Yeah, it's fine. Now loosen it a little bit, but not the air to come out. Then just round it, then you'll get it. So let me go get it again. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. Okay. And when you can't twist it anymore, loosen it a little bit, then launch it. So that's the end of the video, guys. Bye.